Support my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Welcome to a peaceful moment of nature. Take a deep breath, relax your mind, and enjoy the calm beauty around you in this video. We see a gentle hen moving slowly across the ground, pecking at grain scattered on the earth. Her movements are unhurried and calm, reflecting the simplicity of natural life. The hen searches for food patiently, step by step. Each peck reminds us that nature does not rush. Life moves at its own peaceful pace here. There is no noise, no stress, only the soft sounds of the environment. Soon, small sparrows begin to appear. They fly in gently, landing nearby with quick and playful hops. These tiny birds are full of energy, yet they blend perfectly into the calm atmosphere. Their soft chirping adds a soothing background melody. The hen and sparrows share the same space without fear or conflict. This simple moment shows the harmony of nature. Different creatures, different sizes, yet living together peacefully. The ground beneath them tells a story of village life. Dry soil, scattered grains, and natural textures remind us of a world close to the earth. The surrounding greenery adds freshness, while the open sky brings a feeling of freedom. Sparrows move quickly, picking small grains and looking around with curiosity. Their movements are light and joyful. Watching them brings a sense of happiness and reminds us of childhood mornings filled with bird songs. The hen remains calm and focused. She eats slowly, confidently, showing patience and strength. Her presence feels grounding and peaceful, like a quiet guardian of the space. Nature teaches us valuable lessons without words. It teaches patience, balance, and coexistence. In this quiet scene, we learn that peace comes from simplicity. The gentle sounds of birds, the soft wind, and the natural environment help relax the mind. This video is perfect for moments when you need rest, meditation, or a break from a busy day. As time passes, the scene remains soothing. The sparrows continue their playful feeding, and the hen calmly completes her meal. Nothing feels forced. Everything flows naturally. Let your thoughts slow down. Let the calmness of nature enter your heart. Feel the connection with the earth and its creatures. Moments like these remind us how beautiful ordinary life can be. No technology, no rush, just living beings sharing space peacefully. If you are watching this to relax, breathe slowly and enjoy every second. Allow the peaceful energy of nature to refresh your soul. Thank you for spending this quiet time with us. If you enjoy peaceful nature videos like this, please support the channel. Like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more calming moments from nature. Stay peaceful, stay connected with nature.